Hey everybody, it's Maggie, your substitute teacher. You all know me from my cooking channel. I make food and femininity content, but I want to do another unboxing with you all. You all know that I love a good cookbook and I placed an order. None of this is sponsored. I just wanted to show you all. I'm very excited. I have, gosh, is it Turkuaz Kitchen? I hope I'm not butchering that, but you all have probably seen her on TikTok. It might still be time to vote for the TikTok award. She has a Dubai chocolate video that has, I don't know, so many views, but you've probably seen her beautiful cooking on TikTok. It's usually just her hands and a beautiful rustic kitchen, and she makes all of these sweets and treats. I'm actually going to be traveling through Turkey on my way to Ghana to go visit my family over the holidays. So you all check her out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I love supporting other home cooks, and I'm just really inspired by her beautiful presentation. And we'll see. Maybe I'll try one of these recipes, enjoy some Turkish food on Turkish Airways. But I just wanted to share this with you all because it's a beautiful hardcover copy to your collection. All right.